you guys, as I put away all the laundry, and I'm going to start unboxing and putting together the nightstand. This was something that I did prior to, you know, cleaning the bedroom. So as you can see, I am taking out all of the pieces, and I am looking at the instructions. I am not the type of person to try to put things together without instructions. I am my father's daughter. Whenever we have beds to put together or any piece of furniture in the home, my dad was always very deliberate about reading the directions and always very detailed. So that is something that I got from him. So what came in the package, as you can see here, are all the parts, and it even comes with a screwdriver that you can use yourself. So that is something that I really appreciated about this product. Now you all can see I am about almost through putting it together in this clip. It was super easy, you guys. It took me a total of 40 minutes to get this together, and the only reason it took that long was because I had to stop and take my child to school. So you guys, right now what I'm doing is I'm just going to put the door on, and I showed you earlier there was a bag that had all of the hardware in it, and it is labeled with the alphabets as well as the pieces of the nightstand, so that when you look on the diagram they correspond with each other, and it's very, very easy to put together, and it's honestly very, very hard to mess up.
Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me
So you guys, in my opinion, this is the best part of the nightstand, how it has the 2 USB ports for you to charge phones, and it also has 2 sockets just in case you like to plug up any other appliances or anything of that nature, maybe like a fan or something of that nature, or a lamp. And I feel like that is such a great thing for a nightstand, and right now I'm going to be using it as a dresser, just simply sitting here beside my husband's couch in the man cave. And as you can see, it has decent storage. It has the little door underneath as well as the little shelf that is second. It fits a couple of items, and it doesn't take up too much space in your room at all. If you are interested in this product, there will be a link down in my description box. Please, you guys, go down there and check it out. There's also a discount code as well.